Hello everyone! Have you ever thought about whether those strange and mythical creatures from ancient legends could have been real? Today, we're going to explore 7 of the most bizarre and amazing legendary creatures that scientists have proven actually existed. From terrifying sea monsters to real-life werewolves, we'll show them all to you today. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an incredible journey. 1. The Kraken, the real monster of the deep. Let's start with the most terrifying one. This very monster, which ancient sailors used to tell scary stories about, has now been proven real by scientists. This giant squid can grow to the size of a city bus, a full 13 meters long. In 2004, Japanese researchers managed to film this deep-sea monster for the first time at a depth of 900 meters. Imagine how frightening it must be that a creature with such colossal arms could easily sink ships. 2. The werewolf, the truth behind the legend. Now, let's talk about the legend of the werewolf. Did you know this is also based on a real medical condition? It's called hypertrichosis, where a person's body becomes completely covered in thick hair, looking exactly like the werewolves we've seen in movies. In 2019, scientists at Harvard University discovered that this condition is caused by a strange genetic mutation on the X chromosome. For example, back in the 16th century, there was a famous man named Petrus Gonsalves who was known as the Wolfman because of this condition. So you see, some legends really do have a basis in reality. 3. The unicorn, a legendary but real horse. Guys, sit down because I've got some surprising news for you. Unicorns actually existed. No, I'm not talking about the sparkling, rainbow-horned ones from cartoons, but a real animal called the Siberian unicorn. Fossils found in Siberia show that this massive creature, weighing 4 tons with a 2-meter-long horn, lived on Earth until 39,000 years ago. This means our ancestors could have actually seen this amazing creature up close. 4. The Tasmanian tiger, Australia's legendary wolf. You have to see this one. This marsupial wolf, thought to have been extinct for 100 years, might still be alive. In 2021, an Australian farmer managed to film a strange creature that perfectly matched historical descriptions of the animal. Scientists are now investigating with DNA samples to determine if this legendary beast is truly still with us. Do you think this creature is still hiding in the forests of Australia? 5. The Komodo dragon, the living dragon. You don't need to look for dragons in fairy tales anymore. Because dragons really do exist, and they're living right now on Komodo Island. This giant lizard can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh 70 kilograms. A single bite from this dragon can take down a water buffalo. Researchers have proven that the ancestors of this creature lived in Australia up to 4 million years ago. So, dragons aren't just in stories. 6. The ancient hobbits. Now for the strangest discovery, real-life forest dwarves. In 2003, archaeologists discovered fossils of humans on the Indonesian island of Flores that were only 1 meter tall. Imagine, these hobbits, despite having brains the size of a chimpanzee's, could make stone tools and hunt. Evidence shows these amazing creatures lived on Earth until as recently as 50,000 years ago. 7. The griffin, the lion-eagle hybrid. You have to see this last one. That legendary creature with a lion's body and an eagle's head that we've heard so much about in stories was probably inspired by the fossils of a real dinosaur. This dinosaur, named Protoceratops, had a body resembling a lion and a beak like an eagle. Archaeologists believe that when ancient miners encountered these fossils in the Gobi Desert, they created the legend of the griffin. So even those bizarre creatures had a basis in reality. So, which of these discoveries did you find the most fascinating? What other legend would you like to see science prove was real? Write in the comments below. Let's see which myth has the most fans. If you enjoyed this incredible video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Because we have tons of other exciting videos and amazing discoveries on the way that you won't want to miss.